Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to withdraw money from Phantom Wallet to your bank account. So basically the first thing is just make sure to get your deposit address. You can use any of the exchange, like either it is Binance or you're using Bybit. That is your choice. So make sure to open the app, get the deposit address from the application and just go to the Phantom Wallet. And once you're into the Phantom Wallet, so basically you will be at the home section of Phantom Wallet. Let it load, and here are you at the home section of the Phantom Wallet. And from here, if you scroll down a little bit, so you will see all the coins, let's say Solana, Ethereum, or whatever your coin is, and all the amount that you have of that coin. And let's say that here are like zero Solana. Let's say you have like 10 Solana or $10 or like $20. That is like your amount. So from here you can see an option called receive, send, swap, and buy. Like these are the four options, so make sure to choose the second one, that is called send. And once you click on send, they will ask you to choose your coin. So you can choose your coin, either it is Bitcoin, Solana, Ethereum. So choose your coin. Let's say for example for me that is Solana, so choose Solana. And from here they're asking you like to username or address. So make sure to paste the address that you copied from, like either from Binance or Bybit. Like make sure to copy the deposit address, paste it in this section, and once you paste it in this section, click on next. And once you click on next, they will ask you basically to write down the amount that you want to send. And once you write down the amount, just click on send, and after that you will be able to withdraw money from Phantom Wallet to your other exchanges like Binance or any other exchange that you use. And from that exchange you can transfer your money to your bank account. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it.